Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to solve a trigonometric problem. Here, we are going to prove 1 plus 1 by tan square theta into 1 plus 1 by cos square theta equal to 1 by sin square theta minus sin power 4 theta. Now let me take the LHS first. Now here, 1 is a whole number, whereas 1 by tan square theta is a fraction. I cannot add a whole number with a fraction. So let me write this 1 as 1 by 1. Here again I am going to write 1 by 1. Now for the first part, here let me take the LCM. The LCM here will be tan square theta. So let me multiply here into tan square theta and the numerator also by tan square theta. So I get tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. Now for the second part, again we have the LCM here as cot square theta. So multiply the denominator by cot square theta and the numerator by cot square theta, which gives me cot square theta plus 1 by cot square theta. Now using the identities, tan square theta plus 1 is nothing but secant square theta, cot square theta plus 1 is nothing but cosecant square theta by tan square theta into cot square theta. Now I look at my RHS. The answer is in terms of sign ratios. So let me write secant in terms of cos and cosecant in terms of sine. So secant square theta is nothing but 1 by cos square theta. Cosecant square theta is nothing but 1 by sin square theta divided by tan square theta. I'm going to write as sin square theta by cos square theta, and cot square theta is nothing but cos square theta by sin square theta. Now I can cancel sin square and sin square, again cos square and cos square. I am left with 1 ones are 1 cos square theta into sin square theta. Again I look at my RHS. Again the answer is in terms of sign ratios. So let me change cos in terms of sine, which gives me 1 by cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta into sin square theta. Now when I multiply the sin square theta inside, I get 1 by sin square theta into 1 is sin square theta. Sin square theta into sin square theta is nothing but sin power 4 theta, which is my RHS. So friends, did you like this video? Then subscribe, like and share. Thank you.